They're fun to play with.
Yeah, I knew that. Oh, Josu! You did it!
Oh, I caught her with her hand in front of her. Well, here, you got to do another one.
Wow!
There's another one. Put it on this one. But she got the gist of it.
Wow! Pada. Go ahead. Pada. Pa. Go ahead.
That's the feel of those.
Good. Well, you missed it. Go there. Boop. Oops. Pada. Good.